Welcome back to another Colorful Keto with Dory. Special guest star Diana joining me. And I had to show off my brand new awesome hair that I got done for my birthday, which is on Sunday. So today, Sunday, I made myself, let's pause this, I made cake. Let's have a unicorn cake. So I posted in the Facebook Live already the ingredients in the cake itself. Now, use whatever mug cake recipe you like best. This one turned out okay, but it wasn't my absolute favorite. But I'll let you guys know how I made this one to begin with. Anyways, this is what they look like, and this is what we're going to decorate. So the cake itself is 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened shredded coconut meal, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 eggs, and I added some coconut flavored extract, which is optional, and then sweetener to your taste. So what we're going to do first is we're going to slice each of our cakes in half because we're going to make it a 6-layer cake. Ooh. So they're fully cooled. I'm just going to slice them in half, and that way we have 2 of each color.
Yeah.
So
because there's a blue, a green, and a purple, and Sherry sliced the blue, and now she's slicing the green.
Yes. What do you think of the colors? Did the colors turn out good?
Yeah.
I really like the colors. I think they turned out really, really nice and bright and pretty.
I'm also
hello, Claudia. Cat's Gone Primal. It's so nice to see you guys. And this was Diana's last day of camp this week. Next week we're taking vacation, so Diana will be with us all week next week. So that's our purple layer. Now, I'm running a little short on heavy whipping cream at my house. I need to go to the grocery store. So we're going to make the whipped cream together out of coconut cream. And I thought, you know what? That's always fun to do, and you guys may or may not know how to make coconut cream, whipped cream, so we're going to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your coconut cream is chilled. I put this into a jar when I put it in the fridge, but you just want a good high-fat coconut milk, the higher fat you can, and you want to chill it in the fridge overnight so that you can whip it up really nice. So we're going to spoon out some of the coconut cream, and we're going to whip it up. We're going to add, I decided I want pina colada flavored whipping cream. So we're going to add some pina colada flavor and a little bit of sweetener to it.
Not too much sweetener.
Not too much sweetener. No, I don't like too much sweetener. Oh goodness, cough, 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 cough. And then sweetener to taste of choice. Today I'm using the Skinny Girl Stevia because that's what I happen to have on hand. And we're going to whip this up with my cake mixer.
I can already smell it.
Doesn't that smell good?
Yeah.
Let me move our pretty plate out of the way. So that we don't...
Decorated with like little fake
with little diamonds.
But they're not real
like
diamonds.
Yeah, not real diamonds.
They're like cheap Dollarama diamonds.
Yeah, they're cheap Dollarama diamonds. Just for decorating foods. So we're going to whip this up. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of xanthum gum to thicken it, or stabilize it, if you prefer to call it that way. So we're just going to whip that for a minute. You want to hold that for me while I get the xanthum gum out? Just hold it right there, 2 hands. There we go. Good job. And we're going to add just the teeniest sprinkle of, gotta hold it in there. Sprinkle of xanthum gum. It's honestly going to work out to be about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I'm just going to sprinkle it in there while Diana's mixing. if you are dairy-free and you thought you didn't get to have whipping cream, we can make it out of our coconut milk. Now, if you want it firmer than that, you want to chill it in the fridge for a little bit, but we're just doing a drizzle over top of. So for purposes today, that's going to be firm enough. So we're going to get our pretty plate together. Let me get this out of the road for us. And what layer do you think should go on the bottom? What color?
I think it should be green.
Green on the bottom? Okay, let's start with green on the bottom. And then we're going to do like we did when we did the regular whipping cream.
Oh, yeah.
And see, this is nice. I'm going to move it so everybody can see that it's a nice, thick, consistency. Move you there so you can see.
That really reminds me of yogurt.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, it's about the texture of yogurt. So we're just going to put 1 spoon in between, like we did before. And then what color? Do you think the purple one next?
I was thinking the blue.
You were thinking the blue?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Because there's more purple in your hair than blue.
That is true.
And I don't see any green in your hair right now.
Nope, there's no green this time. We did not get green this time. And then a purple one. Okay, do you want to put the next scoop of whipping cream on top?
Sure thing.
Hello. We're just decorating my birthday cake. Yes. Do you want to come take a peek at it? It's a 6-layer unicorn mug cake.
6-layer unicorn mug cake.
I know, right? 6-layer unicorn mug cake. Does such a thing exist? Now it does.
Wow, would you look at that?
Right? Does my sarcastic son want to actually come on camera and say hello? I have not made your tray yet because I was making cake instead.
Oh, that's fine.
I know. Do you know what? Next we can slice up a snack tray and you guys can see how we make a snack tray. Okay, and then next scoop. Oh, love you. There we go, on top. And we're starting to tip over like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. There we go, that's good. We're good. I think the next 2 layers are going to have just a little bit less whipping cream, I think, so that we could see the colors. But if we squish it down a little bit, it'll still be pretty.
Yeah. The blue is almost gone.
I know, you can't. I can't even see all the layers, but when we cut it, we'll be able to see all the layers again. Let me put that down.
I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to see the top blue because, like, the bottom blue.
Oh, yeah, we're going to be able to see the top, but we're going to have to, I think, because we put too much whipping cream.
Yeah.
And it wants to lean everywhere. I'm going to tell you how we're going to fix that.
Side.
Here, come out of the way for 2 seconds. And let me show you how we're going to fix that. These I use for hors d'oeuvres and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick one in the middle. And then that way it will hold all our layers together nice and tight. Ta-da! Look at how I fixed it. Look at how I fixed it.
Now you can see the bottom.
Now you can see the bottom. So we're going to put some coconut whipped cream on the top and let it drizzle down the sides. And then we've got some beautiful colored coconut to sprinkle on the top of it.
We got purple, blue, and green.
You show them the colors while I do the top of the cake.
Here's the purple.
Beautiful.
The green.
Nice.
Here is the blue.
Lovely. And these were just made with unsweetened shredded coconut with a couple drops of food color in them. So let's do some green and some purple on top, and then I think we'll sprinkle some of the blue around the bottom. What do you think? So we'll put some of the green, and we'll let some of it sprinkle on the plate to be pretty. There we go. A little bit on the plate, and then some purple. And I'll probably get colored fingers from this. You should wear gloves.
Yeah.
Wear gloves. Be responsible. Oh, and I got coconut on me.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Well, at least it's not poison.
No, it's only coconut whipping cream, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, and then a little bit of the blue. And then I think we can even slice it a little bit so that we can see all the different colors of our pretty...
The cake might be small, but it has 6 layers, so I'm supporting it.
You're supporting it. Diana's a fan. Well, and let's be honest, it's just for me. I'm the only one who likes my keto cakes.
Not even Isaac?
Well, Isaac doesn't really like cake and sweets all that much, even though he's keto. So let's show everybody what our pretty 6-layer unicorn mug cake looks like. Yeah, it kind of does look like a birthday candle in there. Turn it so everybody can see. And I think what we'll do is I'm going to take a couple pictures of it like this, and then I'm going to slice it so you guys can see. So go check on my feed in a few minutes and see the lovely pictures of 6-layer unicorn sparkle mug cake. Oh, we need the sparkles. We can't call it sparkles without sparkles.
No.
So
I was
because
wondering why that was
I know, because everything is all colors. These are some white sparkles that I made.
And plus, it matches your personality.
It does.
It really does.
It does. And then we're going to add a little bit of shiny sparkle. And these ones are just my gelatin sparkles.
Anything colorful matches her.
Yeah.
Anything colorful.
Awesome. Okay, let's dance out. And then I'm going to cut cake. I'm going to have some cake. You dance over there? See you in a few minutes, guys, and check out the cake.